Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Welcome to the concept of support and resistance in crypto trading. Think of support as the floor and resistance as the ceiling for a crypto asset's price. Support levels are where demand pushes the price up, while resistance is where selling pressure pushes it down. Breakouts above resistance or breakdowns below support often signal new trends. These levels are identified through historical price data and are crucial for setting entry and exit points. Support and resistance are fundamental concepts in technical analysis. Support refers to a price level where a downtrend can pause due to demand concentration. Conversely, resistance is a level where an uptrend can pause due to supply concentration. Identifying these levels helps traders anticipate price movements and set appropriate entry and exit points. For example, if a stock consistently bounces off a certain price level, that level is considered support. Conversely, if a stock consistently rejects a certain price level, that level is considered resistance. The premise as a trader is to buy at support during a price drop when the price action is negative and red candles appear on the chart, and sell at resistance when the price is rising and the candles are green. Remember, do the opposite of everyone. When the market is dropping, we buy, and when the market is rising, we sell.